Who doesn't like Spanish expressions? Let's learn one today. Hi everyone, the Spanish expression of the day is a la vez, or a la misma vez, a la misma vez. This literally means to the time or to the same time. I think you kind of know what this is all about. A la vez or a la misma vez means at the same time, or in some situations, it could mean at once. A la misma vez is more commonly used than a la vez, but both of them are very useful. Okay, now let's see a few examples using this expression. Estoy feliz, pero a la vez triste. Estoy feliz, pero a la vez triste. No puedo hacer varias cosas a la vez. No puedo hacer varias cosas a la vez. Quiero ver esta película, pero a la vez quiero ver esta otra. Quiero ver esta película, pero a la vez quiero ver esta otra. Come on, make up your mind. No hablen todos a la misma vez. No hablen todos a la misma vez. Corramos todos a la misma vez. Corramos todos a la misma vez. Okay, that was the Spanish expression of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and also to donate to this channel. You can also support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!